In front of me is Google Pixel 9a, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this plus at the bottom left corner to hit Files and add an audio one. You can look for it in one of those apps by hitting Audio at the top or by selecting those three lines at the top left corner and picking one of those sources. Either way, click on your file to attach it. To add a video one though, choose Gallery section instead. Look for your video and click on it. Or choose Folders. Look for it here and tap on it to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!